سمو راعي الحفل، حفلنا الكريم، شخصيتنا الإسلامية الفائزة بجائزة الشخصية لهذه الدورة هو فضيلة الداعية الإسلامي الدكتور زاكر عبد الكريم نايق، الذي نذر نفسه ووقته وماله وأسرته لخدمة الإسلام والدعوة إليه بالحكمة والموعظة الحسنة. وكما تابعتم فإن فضيلته يتمتع بأسلوب مقنع في الدعوة إلى الله يصاحبه قوة في الدليل والحجة. أدعو فضيلة الشيخ الدكتور زاكر عبد الكريم نايق إلى المنصة لإلقاء كلمته.
Alhamdulillah. Wassalatu wassalam ala rasulillah wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajmain. Amma ba'd. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Wa man ahsanu qawlan mimman da'a ila Allahi wa amila salihan qala innani minal muslimin. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Honorable Sheikh Maktoum bin Muhammad bin Rashid al Maktoum, Mr. Ibrahim Bumala, the honorable guest, my respected elders, and my brothers and sisters. I welcome all of you with the Islamic greetings. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. May peace, mercy, and blessings of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala be on all of you. It's an honor and a great pleasure for me to be awarded the Islamic Personality of the Year, Hijri 1434, that is CE 2013, by the Dubai International Holy Quran Award under the patronage of Sheikh Muhammad bin Rashid Al Maktoum. All praises are due to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala alone, and it's only because of His help, His blessings, and His mercy that whatever I could achieve a little bit in the way of dawah. And I received many appreciations and many congratulations. I pray to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to not hold me responsible for what they think about me, to forgive them for what they don't know about me, and to make me better than what they think about me. All praises are due to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala alone, without whose help and mercy, whatever little bit I've achieved would not have been possible. And I'd like to thank the support of my family members for supporting me in the field of dawah, especially my parents, my father, Dr. Abdul Karim Naik, my mother, Mrs. Roshan Naik, and particularly my wife, Farhat, who has supported me from the day of my marriage. And I consider her that she is the best gift that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has bestowed on me. And she is a muhsana for me, a fortress against the devil. And also my brother, Dr. Muhammad, my sister Naila, and my other family members, my friends, my staff, and my supporters for helping me to achieve whatever little bit I've done. The person who is responsible for me to get into the field of dawah was late Sheikh Ahmad Didat. He is the person who converted me from the doctor of a body to the doctor of the soul. It was in 1987 when I was doing my second year medical college, when I met him for the first time, and he inspired me to become a da'i. He is my guide, he is my mentor, and it was the desire of my mother that I should become a heart specialist, somewhat similar to Dr. Chris Barnard. As you may be aware, Dr. Chris Barnard was the first doctor who did the first heart transplant in any human being, and he too hails from South Africa like Sheikh Ahmad Didat. And when I asked my mother, that do you want me to become like Sheikh Didat or Dr. Chris Barnard? She said both. Later on, when I got involved in the field of dawah, started giving lectures, having debates, and I asked the same question to her after she heard my talks and speeches and my debates, that would you like me to become like Sheikh Didat or Chris Barnard? She said, I can sacrifice 1,000 Chris Barnard for one Sheikh Didat. And Sheikh Didat, he was an icon. He was a man with a mission. May Allah grant him Jannah. Today, my mission in life is to spread peace. Islam comes from the root word salam, peace. And today, the most important tool, or rather, the most important weapon today is the media. It can convert black into white, day into night, hero into a villain, villain into a hero. Unfortunately, we Muslims are backward as far as using dawah, as far as using media for dawah is concerned. With this mission, 7.5 years back, alhamdulillah, we launched the Peace TV English. The production takes place from Bombay, and the uplinking is from Dubai and London. Dubai covers the whole of Asia, Middle East, Africa, Australia. London covers the whole of Europe and America. And the Dubai, especially the media city in Dubai, and the government of Dubai have been very helpful and have been instrumental in making Peace TV popular. Today, Peace TV, alhamdulillah, is the largest watched Islamic satellite channel in the world, having a viewership of more than 100 million. It is not only the largest watched Islamic satellite channel, it is the largest watched religious channel in the world. 5 years back, we launched the Peace TV Urdu, which today has a viewership of 80 million. And 2.5 years back, we launched the Peace TV Bangla, which has a viewership of more than 50 million. Alhamdulillah, Peace TV network is the largest watched Islamic satellite channel in the world. And it is been running by the support of the Muslim Ummah. And for it to sustain, we require a waqf. Today, the award that I've received along with it, I also received 1 million dirham I've received along with the award. I would like to donate this 1 million dirham to the waqf of the Peace TV. And I request the businessman, the Muslim Ummah from the world, to support this waqf so that the Peace TV network can be self-sufficient. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala also blessed me with 3 good children. I have a son, whose name is Farik, who's 19 years old, and 2 daughters, Zikra and Rujda. They too have supported me, and I pray to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that may they continue the mission which I have started. And Allah has blessed my son. All my 3 children are Huffaz, are Hafiz al-Quran. All 3 know Arabic as a language. I don't know Arabic as a language. I know Shoy. All my 3 children, mashallah, they speak very fluent Arabic, Lugha Fasa. All 3 are black belts in martial arts. And my son, mashallah, has been giving lectures since a young age of 8 years. And today, when we had the last conference in 2009, the Peace Conference in Bombay, he was the youngest speaker at the age of 15. I pray to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that may He give him multiple times more support than what He has given me, so that he could continue the work. To continue this mission, 12 years back, I started the Islamic International School in Bombay, and a couple of years back, the Islamic International School in Chennai. The main purpose of the school is to have education for both the worlds. From the age of 2.5, we teach the children Arabic and English. By the time they reach standard 5, they can understand the Quran. By the time they reach 9th and 10th standard, they can translate to a great extent. They have to be black belt by the time they reach standard 5. And the degree is from the Cambridge University. It's not a degree by any normal Indian school or a Muslim school. It's from Cambridge University, UK. And Allah blessed us. We teach the children from the age of 3.5 public speaking. They're able to handle microphones at a young age. And by the time they become teenagers, they give lectures in front of thousands of people. And Allah blessed us that not only were we able to perform in the field of dawah, year before last, when the first batch of the Islamic International School appeared for the O-level in the Cambridge board, the girl that came out first, by Allah's help and grace, out of 5 subjects in the Cambridge board, in the IGCSE, in 4 subjects she got 100 out of 100. MashaAllah. She was a muhajjaba, she knows Arabic as a language, she's black belt in martial arts, Hafiz al-Quran. So we want our children to be the future generation, the leader. And with this intention, we want to spread these schools in different parts of the world. Inshallah, we have plans of starting a school in Dubai too, the Islamic International School, Dubai. And we have just started the process. And inshallah, the school will be completed in the next 2 years, in September 2015. And the government of Dubai has been very helpful, especially the Knowledge Fund, in giving us a land at a very cheap lease. And I pray to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that may such schools be evolved in different parts of the world. I would like to thank Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, who I believe is a visionary in making this Dubai. He has made Dubai a landmark in the map of the world and the development. And also the government. I would like to thank the Dubai International Holy Quran Award for having this competition every year and for encouraging thousands of Muslims to become Huffaz throughout the world. And my message to the Muslim Ummah is that make Quran the source of guidance, the word of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and make it a point that you read the Quran in the language you understand the best every day. If you know English, read in English. If you know Urdu, read in Urdu. If you know Tamil, read in Tamil. Make it the source, the guide of your book. The book of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, make it the source of guidance throughout your life. And I would like to once again thank the Holy Quran Award, and I'd like to end my speech with the quotation of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala in Surah Nahl, chapter 16, verse 125, which says, Udu ila sabili rabbika bil hikmah wal mu'azzir hasna wajaz millati ahsan. Invite all to the way of their Lord with wisdom and beautiful preaching, and argue with them and reason with them in the ways that are best and most gracious. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin.
بالأمس حل فضيلة الشيخ الدكتور زايك بن عبد الكريم نايق الشخصية الإسلامية للدورة 17 ضيفا على صاحب السمو الشيخ محمد بن راشد آل مكتوم نائب رئيس الدولة رئيس مجلس الوزراء حاكم دبي رعاه الله راعي ومؤسس الجائزة، حيث تبادل سموه الحديث مع ضيفه حول جائزة دبي الدولية للقرآن الكريم وخدمتها لحفظة كتاب الله، وذلك بحضور سمو الشيخ مكتوم بن محمد بن راشد آل مكتوم نائب حاكم دبي وعدد من المسؤولين وأعضاء اللجنة المنظمة لجائزة دبي الدولية للقرآن الكريم. ثم قام سموه حفظه الله بتسليم جائزة الشخصية الإسلامية لفضيلة الشيخ الدكتور زاكر بن عبد الكريم نايق.